Hey, my name is Naila the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila done by Naila. So this is technically day 2, I believe, of me actually working on my studio. So remember I said I wanted to order some kind of like little, like, not drawers, but like shelves, I guess, like little shelves so I can pin up there. Amazon is too much, so I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby or I'm gonna go to Rose's, get something cheap. But I'm gonna take y'all with me basically. Alright, you guys, so we are off to Hobby Lobby. It's nice today. I'm loving it. It's really nice today. I hope it stays like this. Okay, so I was looking for things to basically make into like dressers or drawers or anything I can like nail into the wall, and I'm like, oh my god, these are bins for that much % off, like $4 each. Nice. Let me get them. So I got those, thinking I'm doing something. So we'll see how that turns out. So I've been debating if I should get this easel, because I wanted a studio easel. But just look at this. Right? So the price is $49, but this is why I love Hobby Lobby. So this is what it is. This would be only like $25. I think I might get this. So I got a watercolor one, that thin one, $2. And this, what is this? $5. This is to help me do that little underpainting sometimes. Underpaintings are nice. Alright, so I'm back. I got some things. I'm excited. I'm so excited for this easel, low-key. This was literally like $50, but I got it for $20. I don't know the tax, but still, like, I needed that, and that was on my list for my Amazon wish list, so this helps a lot, so I don't have to wait for that. But let's head home. Oh, hello there. Didn't even see ya. I got some goodies. Alright, so I got a lot of good stuff. I am going to just kind of come into this. So I had an idea to like take those big like crates and like kind of like, it's gonna look a little messy, but I mean, like, this is not about appearance, it's about if it works. I was gonna like nail it to the side. You'll see. So I tried to do barrel things, but that didn't work. I'm gonna come back to that later note. But while I was gone, I went to, wait, where did I go? I went to Goodwill, because that's my spot right there. Okay, so what I got from Goodwill, I got some dividers. Well, not dividers, organizers. This one, $3 for my Posca markers, my markers in general. Then I got this for $2, another divider. Then I got this cute little thing. I don't know what it would do, but it was $4. I got that too. And then I got the best thing of all, because you know I can't buy my tarp. So I went to Goodwill. I found this huge stack of thick fabrics that kind of remind me of the consistency of tarp. And I'm gonna lay those on my floor, like in like little squares. And it's gonna be dope. I'm like so excited. And I'm gonna like paste them together because I have a little bit of carpet glue. So I'm gonna paste them together so like they go together as one thing. But this is fun. I got like a DIY project. This fabric, look at this fabric. I am going to carpet glue every corner to make one giant tarp. So I just finished patching most of them up. I'm about to try something risque. So you know these little U-Haul tarps you be getting when you move? I'm gonna use this as a carpet as well. Is this tacky? Okay, so I actually have like 2 of these left still. I think I'm gonna go back to Goodwill and try to snag the other one there. So I think I'm gonna do that because I really want to fill out the rug. Like I want to make it like patchwork ground. So I think I want to get some more of that fabric. So the problem with last time was like I couldn't get a hole in this. I'm gonna have to drill a hole in here. I'm gonna have to like change like the drill bit probably. I'm trying to get a hold of this thing and it's not being my friend, so I'm gonna try to do that. So that way I can have them this way on the wall and it won't be this long way and it's kind of wonky. Okay, so I went and got some the drill bits. Jesus, I can't even say drill bits. I think I'm gonna use this one because they're not like super pointy. I think that's what it is. I have to find something that's like actually pointy. I am bold. Yeah. Set of nails here I've been using here. Since I have a starting of the hole, I can entertain it with the drill. Nope, you can't entertain it with the drill, you guys. Okay, now, maybe. Nope, did nothing. Okay. I'm thinking that I may wait a little bit for the bins. I'm gonna use the bins, okay? I'm gonna use them. I wanna get a cork board so I can have all my paints up. Like I've been seeing people do, like just put like a little clip and thing up there and you just hang all the paints down. But I'm gonna go do that today. But before I get into that, I'm gonna try to work on my desk. I feel like my desk needs a little bit of love. I'm going to unpack all this stuff and see where everything can go for right now. No, but I mean green. No, but I mean green.
Wow.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay. Okay, I think y'all can see me now, right? All right, so Posca markers first. We got all the Posca markers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of organize them a little bit. So I'm thinking doing like black, gold, white, oops, and my silver in this little cubby. Oops, this little cubby.
Nice.
And I'll start on this side for cool colors, and we'll kind of like go out that way. I can make it work. Okay, so boopty boopty boop, boop boop boop. There we go. Woo! All my Posca markers. So I have a silver one in the kitchen, so I'll have that there. But all my Posca markers are set and pretty. Let's get some more items to put in here. So I got dry erase markers on this side and my regular markers over there. And then also I'll have like crayon boxes. I have that box of chalk. And then I have the skin tone box. A lot of crayons here. Let's go with dry erase markers on this side. Now I'm gonna go into my regular markers. I want to separate it from my paint markers because stop dropping. Alright. I think I'll put the permanent markers like down there. I have a bunch of them. That looks gorgeous. Put that back there because she's not the star of the show. Alright, so I have another divider. This one I believe is going to be for pencils. I know it goes through it, you guys. I can realize that. I need to clean my desk too, so this is doing 2-for-1 specials. My pencils, which I have a bunch of random pencils. So I have colored pencils. Shoelace, nice. Alright, so let's work with this. So I'm gonna keep these there, but I'm gonna take my Sharpie markers. So I'm gonna put Sharpie markers right there.
Nice.
Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Oh! Pencils. Okay, so Sharpies go here. It's gonna be in my desk. It's gonna be pulled out and put it right here. I'm gonna take this, put it right here. Organized. Bam. I'm thinking for like drawing stuff, which I really don't have a lot of. I'm just gonna keep it all in here. This is gonna be my drawing section, basically. I think I'm pretty good for today. Just to show y'all a little walkthrough. This is what we got. Look at this little area, y'all. It is coming to. Don't look at the closet. It is coming together slowly but surely. But I think the coolest thing is like the carpet area. So I'm gonna get some more of that patchwork, and I'm gonna see you guys again next what? I'm just gonna see you guys again soon. Yeah. Thank you for joining on again and following me with this process. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't forget, patience, practice, taking your time, trusting the process is the biggest thing over everything, honestly. Just trust the process, trust yourself, and just keep going. I love you guys. See you guys soon. Bye.
I got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe.